as you can see, we're gonna play Pokemon Brick Roblox. So, are you ready to start your adventure? Yes, I am. Let's do it. Sorry if the little camera down there is really laggy. Sorry about that. And here we go. And if you want, just comment down below if you want randomizer mode, because I can do that. Actually, just do that. Alright, sorry. So I just moved the little camera out there. So I played this before and I already read this stuff. If you do want to read it, I'll just leave it there. In the morning. Yes. Get out of here. Oh wait, we're gonna need to fix the window. You have enough for a window? Do I have a window then? I'm just gonna slowly do it so you can actually like pause it and stuff. I just No, I can. Alright, I'll be back. Then I can. So when I just put up my name, so let's go see my first Pokemon. So yeah, let's go get my first Pokemon. We have a flat screen TV. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Just here because you can't see me. Actually, wait, tag. I can't get like the thing. Real quick, I just realized I have to move it there because of this. But look at it. You know, that's the lab where my Pokemon is gonna be. Alright, sorry, someone's at the door. I don't know who's at the door, but what if? Alright. I really want to know what's in there. I haven't gotten in there yet, even though I'm like my other game. I have two of these. This is my starting my YouTube channel one, and I'm gonna have another one. I also have another one. So let's see what happens. Alright, so let's go. I'll be back when I get there. Alright, so I made it. So let's see what I can get. And there's a few Pokemon. That is 3. I think that's all 7 generations there. I don't know. But let's see. And I know it's actually all 7 generations. But so we have. Alright. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's all the way through 7 generations. And I was thinking about this. And I want this little dude. He's so cute. So cute. Yes. And I'm gonna name every Pokemon I catch. That's my challenge. You have to name every Pokemon I catch. Huh? Sorry. Sorry. Alex, I'm recording. I have my friend with me, and I don't know why it keeps stopping, but something wrong. Lag. Alright, there's lagging. It's lagging a lot. Alright. This is awesome. This looks amazing. Oh no, lag. It keeps lagging out. It's so laggy when I do this. And yeah, that right. He's so cute. You know, no, not scratch, tail whip. This music is amazing. Lagging. Stop lagging. Let's see if you guys have done 1 damage to me while I've done like quite a bit. Yeah, I'm doing some. It keeps growling me. Stop. That goes down, so. Oh, critical! That critical! Alright, it's still rolling. I just keep checking the little things just to make sure it's still rolling. So, I'm doing good. Guys, what are the chances this eat? Okay, oh, tackle. Oh! Alright, maybe a pretty high chance. Because that just did a lot of damage. Stop using growl already. It's gonna take like forever to take. Okay, guys. No! No, it's doing so. Sorry about that. It just turned off. Alright, no. Sorry. Well, I've seen this. I'm pretty far. I mean, but you know. Oh yeah, you see the brick bronze. Even though I don't know what to do with it yet. Oh. Alright, I get. So there is something wrong with my microphone. That's why it keeps shutting off. It just said there now. It just said that there's something wrong with your microphone. So hopefully there's nothing there. So I'll be back when I get. Alright, what's it gonna be? It's a Zigzagoon. Okay. You ready? You can't beat me. He's too strong. Tackle. Okay, growl. Wide. And they always really like a Zigzagoon. Sorry if you like Zigzagoon. But I'm trying to look for a Pidgey. I love Pidgey. So I got this in the bag. This is just not even fair. There. 20 XP. That is a lot for 20. If I got 20 before on my other guys, they would beat it. But yeah. There's. Oh, there it is. I was like, where's the Bunnelby? It is hiding. So I'm looking for a Pidgey, and I guess I'll be back when I get a new move or something. So, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I finally found a Pidgey. And let's hopefully I don't kill it. Alright, ow. This is not going to be good. Please do Sand Attack. It's on level 7 or something. Pidgey, don't kill me. Alright, I'm throwing a Pokeball. I'm done. I don't want to die right now. This Pidgey hits me one more time. My squirrel's going to faint. Come on, don't. Oh, no. Yes! Alright, sorry. It's very laggy right now. Because I think it's just the server, because there's so much, like, buildings and stuff. Well, do you want to give it a nickname? Yes. Pip. I'll go Pick. No. Pip. I'll name it the Pip. Ha. Is there any way to heal? Actually, I'll just faint my Pokemon for now because I don't know how to heal. Let's just switch it with Pip. Alright, let's see what we can get. Another Zigzagoon. This should be easy for Pip. It's a little pippy. Lag. It's lagging. Hello? Alright, I think it's done. I think I got it to stop lagging. There's too much stuff on this. I think maybe there's just a little bit too many people, but not too many people. So, yeah, I don't think. So, guys, I just leveled up my Pokemon and I just beat him. Pidgey is getting really hard to level up. It keeps saying. Well, let's see what new Pokemon I find in this stuff. My new Pokemon. Ooh. Sample. I bet this entire place has the exact same Pokemon, so. Oh yeah, Squirrel learned a new move. There's more to it. This is what it looks like. You chose Squirrel! Get out of the video! You chose Squirrel. It's really like Squirrel. So, yeah. But I just, yeah. So, what's on?
In my Let's Play, I did a Squirtle too.
Wow! Yay! My sister Daisy. Check her out if you already did. Daisy, LPS Daisy the Wolf. It's lagging. No, it's lagging again. Alright. We'll check her out, LPS Daisy the Wolf. So, oh, how did you even stress? Don't worry about it. Actually, you know what?
What does he got? So good.
Oh,
It's so cute. Oh, look at it. Wagging tail.
So you ready? Yep.
What's your time, Zach?
Let me just. Alright. Alright. Sorry about that. Just lagging. Stop lagging. Stop. I gotta catch more. That was your only Pokemon? Well, I think this is where I'm gonna stop my save. But this is where I'm gonna stop for now. If you want me to continue, if this gets to at least 2 likes, continue this. So, so if this does, I'll continue this series.
Check out my channel.
That's what I said.
What you did?
Yeah, so. Alright. Well, subscribe button. If we can get to at least 3 subscribers, I'll be so happy and I'll upload it.
Hit it hard. Hit the subscribe button. Really, really hard. Did you hit it already?
Yeah, get that already. Actually, if we get to 3 subscribers, I will play Five Nights at Freddy's. Yep. 5. Oh, what'd you like? I'll play Five Nights at Freddy's if this gets to 3 subscribers and 2 likes. I'll play Five Nights at Freddy's. Not in Roblox, the real Five Nights at Freddy's.